Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're based in the world. We are the Pipoholics from London, England. My name is Levi, and it's my pleasure to take you through this presentation today. We will be visiting a currency pair where we spotted a trading opportunity. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post these videos regular. Also, if you want to follow us on social media where we post the odd chart and update on any of the videos, the links will be found below this video. Our second trade for next week is going to feature the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, and unfortunately we've got to jump on the bandwagon of selling the dollar, and this is why. So this market has been in quite a marked downtrend, put in a bit of a bear flag, and it's broken down. And we don't see much support between here and around 1.21182, and that is around 2,000 pips of downside movement until you get to another significant support. And so what we're going to do is just stay with momentum, really. We're not going to need to jump in and predict U-turns or anything like that. We are seeing the market that's falling, and we are going to look to sell rallies, intraday rallies. If you look on the hourly chart, we may have to wait a day or two until we can get in the market. You can see here that you're forming a counter trend line, and a close below that will be a bearish signal, and that is where we will enter the market. Whether this market just falls and closes below and gives us our signal, or whether it will flirt around for a couple of hours throughout the Asian trading on Sunday evening, and we may have a sell signal on Monday, but we will be selling this market, and we will be getting out at lows and seeing if we can get back in at different rally points. But overall, if you are someone who's quite conservative, then you can just wait for a sell signal on the intraday here. As soon as you get a close below this red line, you sell, and then you can just ride it down to support. Just let this one ride. It's possibly what we'll do. It depends on how the market goes, but anyone that's traded the Canadian dollar before knows how volatile this market can be. That pretty much concludes the analysis. This is a nice and simple momentum trade, which is what we're looking to do for the whole week. We've got a few other setups that have been uploaded onto YouTube this weekend, and as ever, if you take this trade, please have a comment and let us know, because it's nice for us to know that other people are making the same trades as us and getting a nice amount of pips. As already stated, around 2,000 pips of downside movement left in this market.